Nice day just exploring a new area. What do you guys think of that for a view? Oh my gosh, hey? I don't come over to this side very often. I'm usually riding around over there and riding around up on this mountain. But we decided to come down. There's a trail that follows the river and it comes down. Pretty beautiful, hey? Back in the days, I used to be able to ride on this plateau over here. It's virtually flat and just pure grass. It's pretty amazing. I'm gonna vlog next time I come down here. I'm not vlogging today, I'm just riding with one of my buddies. But yeah, stay tuned, beautiful area. I don't know if you can see on the camera, there's the monastery, part of the Rockies there. Revelstoke could be way back over there. Silver Star. Yeah, there's the ski hill up there. But yeah, you can see those peaks good today. Those are the baby Rockies, start of the Rockies right there. Pretty cool spot, beautiful.